Hello, Peter checking in again. This is day 29 of our meditation series, and we have this here today. Will meditation help me master my life? Whoa, master. Hey, master. Remember Kung Fu? I used to watch that when I was a kid. Master. Yes, it will. It really does help you to master your life so you can create the life that you want to create. How often do we just go along with life and let it run away with us, and therefore these emotions and reactions that we have from our emotions and our feelings and our thoughts just push us away and we go, whoa, whoa, we're off. Step back and master your life so you can create the life that you want. Do something today to make you be in a position where you want to be next week, next month, next year, next 5 years, next 10 years. Make a vision plan for yourself. So you meditate on these vision plans, and then you can do it incrementally, bit by bit, to move yourself into the place where you want to be. That is mastering your life. You can do it, and there's many tools to do that, but meditation is definitely the strongest one, where your mind will find all the tools you need to get to where you need to be. So you might need more information, or more knowledge, or more wisdom, or more resources to do this. But if you have the will, you will find the means to do anything that you want. But you have to have the will, and meditation gives you that focus, to focus your will on what you want to do, how you want to create your life. If you haven't tried it already, I've got a 5 meditation technique webinar that you can try absolutely free if you click the link below. Also, we run Qigong classes on this video channel where you can try them. If you hit the subscription button and notification bell, you can try those Qigong classes for free, connecting your mind, your body and your breath all together. Very empowering, really helped me through my stress and anxiety. Hopefully it will help you too. And I'll see you in the next video.